Okay, so today's project we're gonna be putting an outlet right here. I need a 4 outlet for all my computer junk stuff here, so we're gonna be putting um, 4 outlets there, and we're gonna use this little contraption here that you don't need any box or anything like that. This will actually mount into your uh, sheetrock, and we just need to get some Romex wire, and we are actually going to wire it to this outlet that's existing right here on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and take this one off first, and then we're going to run wire to about right here onto the other side of the wall, so we can wire this in this area right here. Okay, so what I did is I went ahead and I cut the hole with a utility blade. Just cut the square up like that, and we measured out this so we can make sure it fits in there. And I already ran the wire coming from the other outlet box here. As you can see, I just ran it up through there. And now we're going to start wiring up the new outlet, and then we'll get back with you. Okay, so we're going to put this box in there to make sure everything is snug and fit. And we're going to tighten these 2 screws on the corners. And what that does is there's a little latch in the back that's going to go actually against the back of the sheetrock to tighten up this entire bracket against the wall so it doesn't move. Same thing on this side right here. As you're tightening it down, it brings it closer towards the wall. Okay, so I want to show you what I did with these here real quick that are going to be going onto this outlet box here. I just basically jumped one side to the other. You can see. And then now I'm going to go ahead and wire it to one of these sides here. Okay, so now we have both outlets wired to the main wire that's going down to the other outlet. That one is not wired right now. Remember to always disconnect or shut down your electricity the very beginning of your project. So now we're going to go ahead and mount these right here. Feel a shock. Just kidding. Just kidding. So we're going to mount these 2 onto the box. Okay, now the outlets are mounted onto the box. I put them upside down. I'm just kidding. Now we're going to put the faceplate on it. Put that on there real pretty. Make it look real pretty. And the only thing we lack is the main connection to the other box. So we're looking at the other outlet box, so we have excess wire coming out here, so we're going to go ahead and, of course that's not live right now, so we're going to go ahead and pull out as much as we can and then cut about 6 inches away. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we have everything connected, everything wired. All your positives are to your positive side, negative to negative side. So all we got to do is put this plate back in and we're done. Okay, so here's the finished product. This is the original outlet from where we're getting the source, power source from. And we're gonna go around up here to this wall around the corner, and this is the finished product right here. So there you have it.